Hello dear students, welcome back to our grammar course. In today's video, we will talk about noun and the types of noun with examples. First, let us understand what is a noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal or idea. For example, boy, city, table, India, dog, honesty. These are some examples of noun. Now let us understand the types of nouns. There are five main types of nouns. First one is proper noun, then common noun, collective noun, fourth one is abstract noun, and the last fifth one is material noun. Now let us understand each type of noun in detail. First one is proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. For example, Ria, Bengaluru, Sunday, India, Taj Mahal. Even your name is also a proper noun. There is a rule. Always these proper nouns should begin with a capital letter. As we know that whenever we write our name, a place name, or a city name, or a day's name like Sunday, Monday, kind of things, we start with a capital letter. So this is the basic rule of proper noun. It should always start with a capital letter. So whenever you write your name, you should start your name with a capital letter. Whenever you write a place name, you should start with a capital letter. Second one is common nouns. Common nouns are general names of people, places, or things. For example, girl, teacher, city, book, river. All these are examples of common noun. Now, what is the difference between these common nouns and proper nouns? Proper noun is a particular name of a particular person. Like, for example, Ria is a proper noun, right? So it is actually a name of a girl. And girl is a common noun. That could be any girl. Or Bengaluru, that was a proper noun. City, that could be any city, right? This is the main difference between this proper noun and a common noun. And the third one is collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names of groups of people, groups of animals or things. For example, a team of players, a flock of birds, a bunch of geese, a herd of cows, a bouquet of flowers. So this is the name of a particular group. Okay. So proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Fourth one is abstract noun. There are certain nouns that we cannot touch, we cannot see, right? So, abstract nouns are the names of ideas, qualities, or feelings that cannot be seen or touched. For example, let's take honesty. Honesty we cannot see or we cannot touch, right? The other person can feel if you are honest. More than that, we cannot touch or see it. Beauty, courage, joy, freedom. When I say I enjoy my freedom, I cannot show this is my freedom, right? Only I can enjoy it. I cannot see or I cannot touch my freedom. So this is abstract noun. And the last one is material nouns. Material nouns are the names of materials or substances that is used to make things. For example, gold, silver, cotton, plastic, wood, water. For example, you take a bucket. A bucket is made up of plastic, right? Like that. Okay. Hope you have understood. Now we have an example here. The brave soldier saved the child. In this sentence, we have three nouns. Soldier, that is a common noun. Child is another one common noun. If there was a name, then that could be a proper noun. Okay. And bravery, that is an abstract noun. Here, bravery is a quality. Okay. Now we have some common errors that normally we see when people communicate in English. He gave me an advice. It is actually wrong. We should say he gave me some advice. She has many furnitures. Actually, that is wrong. We should say she has much furniture. This scissors is sharp. The right way is these scissors are sharp. Hope you got it. Now we have the revision table of nouns. As we studied, noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. We discussed examples also. There are five types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Proper noun was specific names of person, place, things, or ideas like India, Rahul, right? And common nouns were general names like boy, city, girl, kind of things. Collective nouns like the name of groups, right? Team, bunch, bouquet were the examples. And abstract nouns were ideas or qualities that cannot be seen or touched, like freedom, bravery, honesty. Then the last one was material noun, that are the materials or substances used to make certain things, right? Gold, water, plastic, all these were material nouns. So, dear students, I hope you have understood these nouns, its types and examples. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the group. Okay, whenever you ask a doubt in the group, when we have a live doubt clearance session, we will discuss each and every doubt in the live session. Okay, so whenever you study a topic, if there is any doubt, please feel free to ask the doubt in the group. Okay, so hope you have understood this topic. In the next video, we will discuss the next topic. Okay, thank you.